channel. In upper limb anatomy, we will study the bones, muscles, joints, nerves, vessels, and lymph nodes of the upper limb. But in this video, we just study the bones of the upper limb. The study of the bones is called osteology. In upper limb, we have shoulder, arm, forearm, and hands bone. The shoulder bone, it consists of the clavicola and the scapular bone. The parts of the clavicola are the acromial end and lateral surface and the sternal end and medial surface or view. It also has the superior and inferior view or surface. The parts of the scapular bones are the body, subscapular fossa, the crocoid process, and the acromion part. It also has superior border, medial border, and the lateral border. It has superior angle, inferior angle, and the lateral angle. Bone of the arm is the humerus. The parts of the humerus are the greater tubercle, head of humerus, lesser tubercle, deltoid tuberosity, capitulum, lateral epicondyle, radial fossa, groinoid fossa, medial epicondyle, and the trochlea. The bones of the forearm are the radius and the ulna. The radius bone In radius bone anterior surface, we can see the head of the radius or articular disc, neck of the radius, radial tuberosity, anterior border, medial or interosseous border, the styloid process, and the articular surface for the carpals. In posterior surface, it has three parts: distal end, shafts, and the proximal end. The proximal end consists of the head of the radius or articular disc, neck of the radius, radial tuberosity, and shaft part we can see medial or interosseous border, the posterior border, and distal end part we can see the lateral surface, the ulnar notch, the dorsal tubercle, and the styloid process. Also, the ulnar bone. If we study the ulnar bone from the lateral angle, we can see the trochlear notch, the olecranon process, the radial notch, the supinator crest, posterior surface, and the head of the ulna. If we study the ulnar bone from the posterior angle, we can see the posterior border, the olecranon process, and the styloid process. If we study the ulnar bone from anterior angle, we can see the head of the ulna, the interosseous border, anterior surface, the anterior border, ulnar tuberosity, and the groinoid process, also olecranon process. Bones of the hand. The bones of the hands are the carpal, metacarpal, and the flange. The carpal bones are the wrist bones, which are consist of the lunate, triquetrum, pisiforum, hamate, trapezium, trapezoid, scaphoid, and the capitate bones. The metacarpal bones are the palms bone, and they are 5, and the flange or fingers are also 5, and it has 3 parts: the proximal, the middle, and the distal. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.